How to wash wool the right way. Wool is a delicate fabric that requires special care to maintain its softness and shape. Here's a step-by-step guide to wash wool properly. Hand washing wool. Fill a basin. Use cool or lukewarm water. Hot water can shrink wool. Add wool detergent. Use a mild, wool-specific detergent. Avoid regular detergents or bleach. Soak the wool. Gently submerge the wool item in the water. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid excessive rubbing or wringing. Gently agitate. Swish the wool around gently with your hands to remove dirt. Do not scrub or twist. Rinse. Drain the soapy water and refill with cool water. Rinse the wool gently until the soap is completely removed. Remove excess water. Press the wool item between your hands or against the side of the basin to remove water. Avoid wringing, as it can stretch the fabric. Dry flat. Lay the wool item flat on a towel and gently reshape it. Roll the towel with the wool inside to absorb excess water. Then, place the wool on a clean, dry towel or drying rack, away from direct heat or sunlight. Machine washing wool. Use a gentle cycle. Set your washing machine to a wool or delicate cycle with cool water. Wool detergent. Add a wool-safe detergent. Place in a mesh bag. Put the wool garment in a mesh laundry bag to protect it from agitation. Air dry. After washing, follow the same flat drying method as for hand washing. By using these steps, you'll keep your wool items soft, intact, and long-lasting. Thanks for watching this video.